Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Fox 9 Dan game. My opponent is a Chinese professional player, the female player. Just now I won the first game and she won a revenge. So we are having the second time match now. Black has played 3 and 4 couple times. At the first game also she has played this move. And I couldn't really solve it at that time. Should I avoid from here?
초읽기를 시작합니다.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Okay, avoid. I'm not confident to handle the popular Joseki. Oh, approach here? Even white is here.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Oh, when white is here, I couldn't see approach that much.
아홉.
It's not really familiar. Should I stretch or honey?
둘, 셋,
Even this is difficult to topping now. Okay, just double honey. Really? Even now? The leather is better for white now. Fine. I can accept. Oh, doesn't exchange Atari here. Then, okay, I need to push, right? she wanna double hane maybe. Then Atari Tiger's Mouth. Or just hane.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Which one is better? Atari and the hane. Then there is a jump.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Not sure whether cutting is a better exchange for me or not. Tiger's Mouth.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Vital point. Okay, Tiger's Mouth. And then I have to make up the Tesuji. Yeah. Non-stop to make.
시작합니다. 하나.
Even now if I
하나,
play here,
둘,
I don't think she can push and cut, right?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Yeah, probably. She has to play like that. And then
하나, 둘, 셋.
push one more. And then next round I need to just connect here. Connect.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Oh, that seems attractive. Okay.
하나,
Understandable.
셋, 넷.
Then push one more time. Still need to stretch here. And okay. I need to play here.
둘, 셋, 넷. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Oh,
다섯,
still here as a
여섯,
Tetsuji? I missed that. Okay.
하나, 둘,
Oh, I forgot. This move is here. I think also
하나,
she couldn't see this
둘,
move.
셋,
I have to design the sequence now.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Nice move there. Wow. Okay, fine.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯,
Just use it. I don't think it's bad exchange.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
I think she forgot this move like me.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
Yeah, no other way.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
When
여덟,
she plays Hane, really? Even this one? What if I cut?
하나, 둘,
Really wanna cut?
셋, 넷,
Really wanna cut?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
This part should be painful now.
둘,
Leg is in
셋,
big trouble.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
Yeah, no other way. Okay, this is not bad exchanges. I need to judge whether.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Then just Hane. When she plays here, then I can even stretch.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Isn't necessary
다섯.
actually. Oh, really? That means now she wanna use this RG and
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
fine.
마지막입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Okay,
다섯, 여섯,
just Tenoki first, then here seems very good as well. And I think I can do it by center as well. So powerful.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Okay. Isn't it too much?
하나, 둘, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Okay, the upper side is in trouble as well. I just need to think whether
둘,
here which answer is better.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Maybe just block. Strategy is mine, so still the upper side, the life and death is in big trouble now.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Sente.
하나,
Can I even capture this?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
I think she is thinking to use Tetsuji here. But this is very attractive. I cannot give up.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Still, she has to take the overfighting. Little bit concentrated is okay. If she invade to 3-3, I will just accept.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Okay. Then,
둘, 셋.
Okay, just no more. Oh, the main
하나,
point is here
둘,
now.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Mm,
하나,
this is not
둘,
probably
셋,
Sente.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Yeah, now she started. I knew that she will think for strategy here,
하나, 둘,
and then she will cut. Yeah, like now. I knew that.
하나, 둘,
I think I can try the call.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
I have enough call strat. This call is light to me, and I don't think she can give up the corner. And this is in trouble as well.
하나,
Yeah.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Okay. Even this is bad
하나,
exchange, and in
둘,
order to save
셋,
that group,
넷,
she decided to
다섯,
use the bad
여섯,
exchange that.
일곱,
But still I have a manico strat there.
하나, 둘, 셋,
Even it looks a
넷,
bit annoying for her.
다섯,
Yeah.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 두 번 남았습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
What is that? Is it even
하나,
something there?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
Okay, then just continue. I think locally is not possible to fight for black.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
It's not easy to save now.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘,
Sure. This one. I think, yeah, black is dead.
하나, 둘,
It's clean.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
Answering, and it's nothing. There is insurance. I can go back to connect
하나,
with
둘,
this
셋,
group. And if she decided this way, then I can just push out here. Here is broken now. Yeah. Just yeah.
하나,
She's preparing for resigning,
셋,
I think.
넷,
Okay, done. I think for this game, here we both of us has a misreading here. I think at the first time she thought maybe she was just reading for this variation for 5. But yeah, normally this is a Tetsuji. Yeah, that's why she read there. But when I just play here, actually black can play here. That's why now this is a vital point and I can do that. Normally 4 is working, but after this I can just cut by Sente. If this group is cut by Sente, actually black is not good. Yeah, black is very busy now after this. Yeah, so it may her right hand side was a big trouble. So yeah, I could catch this game. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching for this video. Then see you guys next time. Bye bye.